Do you like your dimensions? Because I've got something really, really special for you. I love dimensions. Welcome to our brand new range of boxes and baubles. So you have got a wee little one, you've got a medium-sized one, and you've got a large-sized one. These are beautiful. Now in your large collection here, you can see you've got all these amazing dies in there. You've got your main die, you've got all your little elements in there to be able to decorate. Then let's move forward. We have got the medium-sized box. So this is this one here. It's going to make amazing boxes like this. Aren't they sweet? They are beautiful. But you've got your components in there to decorate as well, all your different panels. They really are something rather spectacular in there. And last but not least, you've got this one here. Now I'm thinking a mince pie would fit in there. Perfect, yeah. So come and join me and make all these amazing boxes. We've got the Winter Wonderland, we have got the small gift box in the Winter Wonderland, and also the Bauble design as well. So I can't wait to see what you make.